Welcome to the future of labeling. I'm Jorge and I'm here to introduce AEP Cloud, SATO's latest innovation in cloud-enabled solutions.
Are you struggling to manage your devices? Do errors, downtime, and disconnected systems slow you down? There's a better way to take control.
AEP Cloud is a no-code platform allowing businesses to create custom labeling applications effortlessly. Whether you're in retail, logistics, or hospitality, AEP Cloud adapts to your unique needs with unparalleled flexibility. Seamless integration is at the heart of AEP Cloud, connecting systems such as ERP, WMS, and MES, enabling the exchange of information in real time across all operations. Our platform seamlessly connects all devices to the cloud, including handhelds and wearables, integrating information systems and efficiently merging processed data with physical assets. AEP Cloud is already making a difference in industries where precision, speed, and connectivity are critical. It's flexible, future-ready, and designed to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving business landscape. At SATO, we're committed to helping businesses optimize their operations through cutting-edge supply chain solutions. Discover how AEP Cloud can transform your labeling processes by visiting www.satoeurope.com.